everybody? It's your boy JRE, right now we're about to check out TAEYEON. Why I said it like that? TAEYEON, INVU. TAEYEON is already a legend in my eyes. I mean, she already, first from SNSD to killing the solo career and just in general, her fashion as well, just been immaculate. I just want to just get right into this. I don't really want to like just continue talking and nonsense. What's not nonsense is that you should follow me on Twitch. Follow the Discord as well. Link in the description. Let's get it, let's go, let's get it. Play my intro. Subs check, TAEYEON, INVU, MV, let's get it, let's go, let's begin. Already looking iconic from the side profile, looking like some art piece, you know what I'm saying? Damn! Right off the bat. Falling in love. To you, I'm an option. We're about to go on some deep-ish. You and I were different from the beginning. Damn, look at the glasses though. Is that Gentle Monster? What is that? I love her hair too. That gray hair, oh. You're mismentioned. Ooh, why is it so aesthetically pleasing? I told you we're going to some deep-ish. She said she lost her mind, but that's a type of love. Ooh. Oh, that's fuego. Let's go, dancers. I'm gonna drink to that. Even if I abandon myself. Ooh, shoot, what you gonna shoot? Bro, the fit though? Oh, I did not even think of that. I envy you. I envy you. I thought it was like some type of, I thought INVU was like some social media. I'm dumb now.
No, not INVU.
You know what I'm talking about, right?
Trouble for playing that game.
INVU. That's the one that I'm thinking of.
Weird game.
Virtual
like virtual
world. That's what, it's the metaverse or
yeah.
something. Let's go back a little bit and then come back into it. Like right here. Oof.
So I envy you.
That's clever though. Damn. That was a nice little transition. Ooh. Bro, she just got even more iconic with this comeback. Real talk though. Oh. Goddamn. Beautiful. Wow. Let's go, dancers. I don't know why that glasses frame accessory is so badass to me. Oh, let's go, dancers. She looks fire here too. Like goddess status. Okay, I'll stop pausing. Woo. Let's go. Bro, that glass looking heart is crazy. Actually. Just watching it, like pump. Fuego, fuego. The little. Oh, okay, vocal run. That's clever. INVU. I'm still not like over that ish. Okay, let's go. Ooh, let's go. What you controlling? Damn, I just went in a trance. I was like, ooh, I envy you. Okay. And then right back from the beginning. Cool. It's like an album, right? That she came out with, right? Yes, third album, INVU. Ooh, that's a 13 songs. Ending credits too. They got Weekend, You Better Not, No Love Again, Heart, Timeless, Cold as Hell, Siren, Toddler, Set Myself on Fire, Can't Control Myself, and Some Nights. Ooh. Definitely have to check it out too. You already know. She always be killing the solos, I'm not gonna lie. Like even music video wise, they've been putting production into her like since probably day one. Put in the comments down below what you guys think of INVU. Not me going in a tangent about IMVU, but this video, share this video, and subscribe for more videos like this. Check the links in the description to join the Discord. Follow me on Twitch because I live stream almost every day. I think I'm live streaming today at 6 p.m. PST, so catch you there if you do visit, say hi. And yeah, see you guys till next time, alright? Alright, y'all. Peace.